Welcome, foodies, to another exciting culinary adventure. Today, we're delving into the rich and flavorful world of braised pork trotters. Join me as we uncover some intriguing unknown facts about this classic Chinese dish. Historical roots. Braised pork trotters have a long history in Chinese culinary tradition, dating back thousands of years. They were once considered a delicacy reserved for royalty and nobility, showcasing the rich heritage of Chinese gastronomy. Nutrient-rich. Despite their indulgent reputation, braised pork trotters are surprisingly nutritious. They are rich in collagen, which promotes healthy skin and joints, as well as essential vitamins and minerals. In Chinese medicine, they are valued for their nourishing properties. Culinary versatility. While braised pork trotters are often enjoyed as a standalone dish, they can also be used as a flavorful ingredient in various recipes. From soups and stews to stir-fries and dim sum, their rich flavor adds depth to a wide range of dishes. Cultural significance. In Chinese culture, braised pork trotters are often served during festive occasions and celebrations. They symbolize prosperity, abundance, and unity, making them a popular choice for family gatherings and special events. Regional variations. Like many Chinese dishes, braised pork trotters have regional variations that reflect the diverse culinary traditions of China. Each region has its own unique way of preparing and seasoning this classic dish, resulting in a wide array of flavors and textures. Symbol of celebration. In Chinese culture, braised pork trotters are often served during weddings and other celebratory occasions. They symbolize good fortune, happiness, and longevity, making them an essential part of traditional feasts and banquets. Culinary mastery. Cooking braised pork trotters requires skill and precision. The trotters must be simmered slowly over low heat to ensure they become tender and flavorful without losing their shape. Mastering the art of braising is a hallmark of culinary expertise in Chinese cuisine. Festive rituals. During the Chinese New Year celebrations, braised pork trotters are often prepared as part of the traditional reunion dinner. They are believed to bring luck and prosperity for the coming year, making them an auspicious dish to enjoy with family and loved ones. Cultural heritage. Braised pork trotters have a deep cultural significance in Chinese society, with many families passing down treasured recipes from generation to generation. The dish is not just about food but also about preserving traditions and honoring ancestors. Modern innovations. While traditional braised pork trotters remain popular, chefs are also experimenting with modern twists on the classic dish. From innovative flavor combinations to creative presentations, these contemporary interpretations breathe new life into this time-honored recipe. Health benefits. Despite their reputation as a decadent dish, braised pork trotters offer surprising health benefits. They are an excellent source of protein, iron, and collagen, which can promote joint health and improve skin elasticity. In Chinese medicine, they are often consumed to support overall well-being. Symbol of resilience. In Chinese folklore, braised pork trotters are associated with the concept of resilience and perseverance. The gelatinous texture of the trotters represents strength and endurance, inspiring people to overcome challenges and obstacles in life. Seasonal sensibility. Braised pork trotters are often enjoyed during the colder months of the year, especially in northern China, where winters can be harsh. The hearty, warming nature of the dish provides comfort and sustenance during the chilly season. Culinary adaptations. Braised pork trotters have been adapted into various cuisines around the world, each with its own unique twist. From spicy Sichuan-style trotters to tangy Filipino adobo trotters, these adaptations showcase the versatility and appeal of this beloved dish. Environmental impact. As consumers become more conscious of their environmental footprint, braised pork trotters offer a sustainable protein option. Using less popular cuts of meat, such as trotters, helps reduce food waste and promotes a more sustainable food system. Cultural significance. In Chinese culture, braised pork trotters are often associated with traditional festivals and celebrations. They are a symbol of abundance and prosperity, representing the hope for a bountiful year ahead. As such, they are a staple dish during important occasions like weddings, birthdays, and New Year celebrations. With its historical significance, nutrient-rich profile, culinary versatility, cultural symbolism, and regional variations, braised pork trotters offer us a fascinating glimpse into the diverse and vibrant tapestry of Chinese cuisine. Join me as we continue our culinary journey through the flavors of China. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.